Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about whether or not the share market is safe. The share market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it's important to remember that there are risks involved. The share market can be volatile, and your investment can go down in value as well as up. So, is the share market safe? It depends on your risk tolerance. If you are not comfortable with the risk of losing money, then the share market may not be for you. However, if you are willing to take some risk, the share market can be a great way to grow your wealth. Here are some of the risks involved in investing in the share market. Market volatility. The share market can be volatile, which means that the prices of shares can go up and down quickly. This can make it difficult to predict how your investment will perform. Company-specific risks. There are risks associated with individual companies, such as financial problems or lawsuits. If a company goes bankrupt, you could lose all of your investment. Systemic risks. There are also risks that affect the entire share market, such as a recession or a financial crisis. If the share market crashes, you could lose a lot of money. How to invest safely. There are a few things you can do to invest safely in the share market. Do your research. Before you invest in any company, make sure you do your research and understand the risks involved. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different companies and industries to reduce your risk. Invest for the long term. The share market is a long-term investment. Don't expect to get rich quick. A bonus point to consider is the importance of risk management. When you invest in the share market, you should always have a risk management plan in place. This plan should help you to identify and manage your risks. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on stock investing. Thanks for watching.